Here we have a 2022 Sylvan L3 DLZ pontoon boat. Has the seaweed flooring, two-tone furniture. This is one of my favorite layouts. Dual captain's chairs. They're really comfortable as well. Electric bimini top. Side gate, changing room. Really nice looking dash here. Tilt steering, Bluetooth stereo. Does have a spot here you can have a GPS installed, or you can use it for storage for your phone. It's rated for 12 passengers. There is storage under the helm as well. So this seating back here, you could either have 2 rows of seats. A table does fit in between. You could push that forward seat towards the front and it makes kind of like a booth at a restaurant. I really like it. You can have dinner there, lunch, play cards. Kids can color. You could also take that table out, and this back cushion lays completely down to make a really long lounger. You just want to lay in the sun, take a nap. Or you could also sit facing the back of the boat if you have people tubing or skiing. It does have a lot of storage over here too. People can lean against that, sit on it if they want to talk to whoever's sitting at the table. There's some storage at the side over there as well. Nice gate back here too. You have to lift on these gates to open them up. A lot of the little kids can't figure that out. Keeps them in. Stainless ladder. Mercury 115 horsepower command thrust outboard. Come check it out. We have a lot of layouts here for you to look at.